Welcome to IFAStories, where ancient wisdom meets modern storytelling. Step into the sacred world of Ifa, the Yoruba spiritual system, where every tale carries the power of divination, destiny, and deep cultural insight. Join us as we unravel the mysteries of the Orishas, the divine forces guiding our paths, Orunmila, the Iron Moles, and many more. Each story is a bridge between the past and the present, weaving timeless lessons that inspire, enlighten, and transform. Embrace the wisdom, honor the tradition, and journey with us into the heart of Ifa. Subscribe now and let the stories guide you. To explore full Yoruba stories, Ifa teachings, and ancestral wisdom, visit our website, www.ifastories.com. Step into the sacred path for more resources and information. The slave who cast the Ókpele received a slap. Story: there was a wealthy man who owned a dark-skinned slave. One day the landowner went to check on how his estate was doing, and when he arrived, he found the dark-skinned man casting the Ókpele. Then the master confronted him, asking at the same time if that was how he worked. And with that he slapped the man, forcing him to say what he was doing. The man replied that he was watching the 3 wives of the king, to see if it was true that all 3 were pregnant. The king confirmed it and ordered that the dark-skinned man be brought to him. And so, the man performed divination for the king and carried out a bow for the 3 women, all of whom had safe deliveries. From then on, he was considered a babalawo, diviner, and luck and happiness came into his life. Note: for the first time, the Ókpele was cast onto the floor, and the alio, uninitiated client, must pay. Note: a pregnant woman at home must perform Ibo. Note: the casting of the Ókpele on the mat or the divination tray signifies the fallen battle of Meyi, and in memory of this event, money must be paid for the consultation.